Hello children, today we will do the book exercise of lesson 7, that is the 7 snowmen. So open page number 61. Okay, we'll start from here. Question answers you will get as PDF. So you will do the question answers in your classwork copy. So let's start from here. Enjoying the text. Read the lines in the first column, write what happens after these events in the second column. Okay, so here children, space is small, so you can write in small handwriting. Okay, so event is Jia goes on a trek in Uttarakhand with her father and uncles. The weather changes suddenly and their way gets blocked by the snow. Now what happens after that? Okay, so that you have to write in the column which is given in front of it. They take shelter in dhaba. Shivcharan and his children are also trapped, T-R-A-P-P-E-D, trapped because of the snow. Okay, they take shelter in dhaba, full stop. Shivcharan and his children are also trapped because of the snow. So this is first one. Second, everyone hears a loud and rumbling noise from the basement. Akhilesh tries to open the trap door. Now what happens after this? B part. The trap door does not open because it is blocked from outside by the snow. So he pulls open a window and jumps out. I repeat, the trap door does not open because it is blocked from outside by the snow, and full stop. So he pulls open a window and jumps out. Third one, the four men decide to take turns and wait outside the house. Now the answer is, the men suffer from cold and stiff joints due to heavy snow. Fourth one, Om and Alka show Jia how to play outside in the snow. Jia makes a snowman. Now what happens after this? Jia's father, uncles and Shivcharan also join them and make snowmen. Okay, Jia's father, uncles and Shivcharan also join them and make snowmen. Now fifth one, Jia offers to keep a watch and asks Dinesh to take a nap. Now what happens after this? Jia falls asleep and forgets to watch out for the helicopter. Okay, Jia falls asleep and forgets to watch out for the helicopter. Sixth one, all of them go outside and stare at the empty sky. Answer is, Jia hears a stranger's voice. She sees soldiers from the Indian Army standing between the snowmen. Can you repeat? Jia hears a stranger's voice, S-T-R-A-N-G-E-R'(S), stranger's voice. She sees, S-E-E-S, sees soldiers from the Indian Army standing between the snowmen. Okay. Now next is grammar and usage. Okay. So here, let's turn the page. Page number 62. Use the simple present tense forms of the verb in color. Now see children, these simple present tense you have already studied, that when it tells the time, the action which is happening at present time, or the action that means regularly takes place, that is the means that actions which are in habit, like you go to school, you brush your teeth. That is a habit. So these actions which takes place regularly, they are in simple present tense. Okay. Now first one is given, already given. Second, Ritika reads a story every day. Okay, and we know that when the subject is singular, we always add s to the verb. Ritika is singular, so you will add s to the verb. In present tense, we add s. So reads, reads a story every day. The shop next door sells, sells, sells onions. Asim always eats, eats, eats before 8. Okay, so first floats, second reads, third sells, and fourth one is eats. Now next is present progressive tense. This also you have studied. Present progressive means, children, present continuous tense means the action which is going on at the time of speaking. Like I am teaching. Okay, the action is still going on. You are listening, you are studying. So these actions are going on at the time of speaking. So this is known as present continuous tense. Okay, and it is formed, how it is formed? It is formed with the help of helping verb plus ing. Okay, first one, see, B part. Complete the answers to these questions using the present progressive tense forms of the words in brackets. Is she reading a book? No, she is talking on the phone. So some words are given in the bracket. Taking the help of these words, we have to frame the sentence. Are you waiting for a bus? So see, in bracket it is given, wait my friend. So let's make a sentence. No, I am waiting for my friend. Okay, I am waiting for my friend. Third one, is the man filling the bucket? No, he is washing some clothes. Okay, he is washing some clothes. Are the women cutting the tree? No, they are cutting the grass. They are cutting the grass. Now next is simple past tense. Okay, so simple past tense means what? The action that has already taken place in the past. That is means action that is over, that is finished. It is in simple past tense. Okay, so how do we make it? We add ed to the verb, like play, play. You add ed to it, it becomes played. Okay, or you can make past tense by adding ied, like suppose the words which ends in y, like if I say carry, carry, carry. Now you have to make it in past tense, so you will remove y and you will add ied, carried. Carriage. Okay, so and some words are have past tense quite means entirely different, like go is the present, went is the past. Go, went. Okay, see, saw. So that is entirely different. So rewrite the sentence in the simple past tense. First one is already given. I make friends easily. So past is I made friends easily. When they play the drums, it is very loud. When they played, played, played the drums, it was very loud. It becomes was. There is one samosa left on the plate. There was one samosa left on the plate. He catches the ball and throws it back to the bowler. He caught the ball and threw it back to the bowler. Caught, C-A-U-G-H-T, caught, and T-H-R-E-W, threw. Okay, he caught the ball and threw it back to the bowler. The lion hunts at night and sleeps during the day. The lion hunted at night and slept during the day. Hunted, H-U-N-T-E-D, hunted, S-L-E-P-T, slept. I walk to school but go by bus on rainy days. I walked to school but went by bus on rainy day. So WALKET, walked, and WENT, went. Okay. Next is page number 64, words in use. Match the phrases in A with the sentence in B. The phrases should mean the same as the words in color in the sentences. Okay, you have to just match it. So first is every now and then, C1. 1C. The park keepers cleaned the parks from time to time. Second one, keeps me company at. So 2 matches with D1. During weekends, my grandfather comes with me to the tennis club. Curled up. Third one matches with A. The cat was comfortable on the couch, sleeping soundly. Taking turns. Fourth one matches with E1. Taking turns, the group entered the cave by going one at a time. There was no sign of. Fifth one matches with B. We searched for hours, but we could not spot the missing bag. So I repeat the sequence: 3, 5, 1, 2, 4. Okay. Next, B part. Choose the correct words from the. Okay, children, some words are there which have same spelling and same pronunciation, but their meaning is different. How we use in a sentence, okay, that meaning gets changed. Okay, so this is only, it is given that few words are given and we have to use the word in the correct blank, correct space. Okay. Like first one, the soldiers had to lift the people with cables from the flooded area. Here lift means to raise them. Okay. Karan gave them a lift to the station to his car. Now this lift means when you are helping people on the way, giving them lift, that is. Second, I do not know how to pack the snow and make snowballs. Here packing means to assemble things, you know. And Mowgli becomes a part of a pack of wolves. The means a group of wolves, we call it pack, collective noun. Okay, but both the spellings are same, pronunciation is same, but how we use them, it changes the meaning of pack. Our parents signed our notebooks every week. We have been waiting for an hour and there is still no sign of the bus. See, one sign means signature and the other sign means any hint. Fourth, Reba went on a trip to Madhya Pradesh with a family. Trip means you're traveling. Walk carefully or else you will trip and fall down. Here trip means to means it is regarding falling down, that is tripping. Fifth, the actor smiled and waved at the little children. Means when you do like this, that is waving. So here waved, make it waved because it is in past tense. WAVED, waved. Okay. The hotel was very close to the sea. We could hear the waves crashing on the shore. Here waves means sea waves, lehrein. Okay, WAVES, waves. Sixth one, father taught me to make a bow with a ribbon. Bow you make with the ribbon that you stick on the gift's back and all. Oli has made a bow and arrow with twigs. Here bow and arrow means what? Tir dhanush. Okay, that is bow. So this is about the book exercise of the Seven Snowmen, and I want you all to complete the book exercise today itself and remember to learn all the word meanings which is given in this chapter and also complete the question answers in your copy which you will get as a PDF. Thank you.